3D lights. Wait, Maya. It got stuck. Beep, 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 beep. You like it, Maxlen? I don't think he likes it. He's smashing it. Nah, he likes it. He likes it. That's a hammer.
A real one.
A real hammer?
Yeah.
It's a toy. Beep beep, Maxlen. Whoa! Yeah. Okay, shut it off. Shut it off. Maya, shut off the car. Thank you. Thank you, Maya. Okay, it's more quiet now, Maxlen. What are you playing, Maya? Okay. Wow! There's a grenade! Beep beep. Beep beep, Maxlen. Beep beep. Beep beep, the Beatles. The Beatles. I love the Beatles. We love the Beatles. Right, Maya? John, Paul, George, and Ringo.
Watch it.
Huh?
Sometimes.
Yeah. Uh-oh, uh-oh. The Beatles. John, Paul, George, and Ringo. Hi, Maxlen. Yeah, what is that? A bump and go toy car? You want to unbox it? I like your shirt. The Beatles. Yay! That's a nice shirt. I love it. The Beatles. What? Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Maya. How are you? Cutie little baby. What are you talking about?
Cutie baby Alida.
Is she here? Wow,
And
nicey.
Mama. The prettiest mom in the world.
Baby Aleida is home.
Prettiest mom in the world.
And mommy's here too. Yeah?
Prettiest mom in the whole wide world.
The prettiest mama in the world. Are you happy, Maya? Where is Aleida? Show me where.
Sleeping.
Come on, let's go check Aleida. Oh, there she is. Baby Aleida. Is she sleeping, Maya?
He can smell Mama.
Oh. Are you going to take care of her? She's cutie. She's a cutie baby. Ooh, so sweet. Maya, so sweet. Maxlen. Yeah, come on. Let's unbox the toys now. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Markslin. Maya is so happy. Maya, why are you happy? Because Aleida is so cute. And she's home. Hi! What's that? Ooh, that's a fire truck.
Cutie little baby.
A fire engine toy.
Cutie little baby.
Cutie little baby. Cutie baby Aleida. What are we going to unbox, Maya? Hello Kitty? A Hello Kitty RC toy.
Watch it.
Yeah, you watch it? Where? On TV?
No.
Where?
In the iPad and the pink phone.
I see. Okay. Ooh, nice, Marksland. Do it again, boy. Press it. Beep, beep, beep. Nice. Beep, beep, beep. Triceratops attack! Yeah. Dinosaur. A dinosaur toy. Ah! 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 Oh no! The dinosaur is eating me! Ah! Ah! Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Open now.
Nicey.
Open now.
Beep, beep, beep.
Open now. Open now. Let's see the food.
Hello, Kitty. Maya, you like Hello Kitty, don't you?
Yeah.
Why? Yeah? You watch Hello Kitty on TV?
No.
Where?
You already said it in the iPad.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. My mistake. Yeah, you watch Hello Kitty on iPad.
Livery.
Huh? Is there something inside this egg? What's inside? Open it. Open it. I'm holding the camera. Huh? What's inside? What's that?
A mirror.
Oh, a mirror. Surprise, surprise.
Cape.
Huh? A cape? Oh, Pinkie Pie's escape? I see.
Super cute.
Yay! Look at Markslin. Are you busy, Markslin?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He is.
He's busy, huh?
What he's doing?
He's playing. Just like you are playing.
About a later.
You want to check Aleida again now? Okay, go on. Check
I'm
Aleida.
done.
Yeah, go on.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye bye.
It's just you and me, Markslin. Just you and me. Father and son. Woohoo! Spinning, spinning 360 donut. Oopsie. Oopsie. Yeah. Excuse, Hello Kitty, Markslen. Excuse her. Cutie. Beep, beep. Oh, you hit me again. A dump truck. Yeah. Yay. Ay, sorry. Okay. I will be out of your way. Okay. There you go, boy. I'm out of your way now. You hit my foot. Actually, my feet. My 2 feet. Beep, 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 beep. Wow, balloons, Maya.
Let me blow a balloon.
Huh?
Let me blow that balloon.
There are balloons already.
I want to.
How come there are balloons here in your room? Because of Aleida? I see. Nice balloons for Aleida.
Okay, just with me. I'm gonna play.
Welcome, baby. It says on the balloon. Welcome, baby. Are there more balloons in the house, Maya?
Yeah.
Where?
Downstairs.
Okay, come with me. Oh yeah, more balloons. I see. Did you blow those balloons, Maya?
No.
Who did it?
At the ESP and the Hunter Hacker.
Oh, nicey. Welcome, baby. Welcome, baby Aleida. Nicey, so sweet. Nice. Maya's bedroom. Boom! Spaceship! Star Wars! Yeah. Ay! Nope. Don't do that. Nope. Nope. Yeah. Yeah. Marksman. Oh, you hit me again. Yeah, fire truck. Yeah. Ooh. Ay. Wait. A fire truck. Nice. Okay, 3 AA batteries installed. What? That's a lot of stuff. Is that a dump truck?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's driving? Pinkie Pie? Cutie! And Markslen is playing the garbage truck. Beep beep. Beep 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 beep. And I see a cement truck. I see. Beep beep. Markslen, why did you throw it? Ay! Stop throwing stuff, Markslen. A Thomas whistle. What? What is that? A house? That's not a house. It's a park. A playground. Right? Racing concept. Nicey, nicey. It looks so futuristic. A concept car. Yeah! A grenade! Grenade!
Stop it.
Yeah. Okay, let's switch this on, Maya. Ah. Wow. Wait. Ready, Marksland? Okay, here we go, boy. Yeah. Beep beep. Woohoo. Ay, Maya. You are making a mess, Maya. That's a lot of mess. Marksland so happy. Yeah? Okay. Maya, put those back. Huh? Okay. What? I'm gonna close the lights, okay? Okay, Maya, put those back. Very good. Thank you. Put those back. Okay, remote control. Hello, Kitty. Thomas. Wheelie time. Hey, make the face lights up, Maya. Light up the face. More. Press the button, Maya. That lights up the face.
Hello, thanks for helping me. It's warm.
The big button. There you go. The face lights up. Maya, give it to Marksland.
It's going to make me fall down.
Okay, Marksland. Yeah! Gordon, Percy, Thomas, James, and Emily. Okay, back to Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty RC. Maya. Beep, beep, beep. Maya, wet your lips. Your lips are so dry.
Let's look for the fun.
Whoa! Yeah, the characters, Marksland. Okay, Hello Kitty RC. Okay, let's unbox it, Maya. Maya, pull it out, please. Thank you. There you go. Look, a stop sign.
How was it even cooling?
What's that? Instructions? Okay. Cute, Maya. Cutie. What?
Peekaboo.
You said something about robot?
A robot arm.
A robot arm? Wow, that's a Porsche Spider, Marksland. Hi, Maya. I can see your eye.
That is a sun. That is a box. And the box.
Oh, just cardboard? Okay. That's a nice sports car, Marksland. A yellow Porsche Spider. Bumblebee? Okay, if you say so.
Here's Mellow.
Maya, I like Marksland's shirt. The Beatles.
Maya like Alida.
You like Aleida? You love her? Okay.
I like hers.
Okay. That's cute, Maya. Marksland! Yeah. Okay, Hello Kitty is unboxed. Look at Maya. What are you? A fish? A worm? Oh, a mermaid. Maya is a mermaid.
Do you know what I am now?
Huh?
Do you know what? Wait.
What?
What was it?
Maya the mermaid.
Fish.
You're a fish?
Now.
Okay, I thought you were Maya the bee. But now you're a fish.
Fishy Maya.
Maya fishy.
Okay, Mr. Watson is.
What's that, Maxlin?
Okay, Mr. Watson kid's name Maya.
Yeah. It's a common name.
Hey,
Maya.
he got a sticker from this.
What sticker?
He got the sticker from
Oh, Maxlin, give it to me. No. That's the side mirror. What did you say, Maya?
the movie.
Yeah. The controller. Nice sounds. Nice music.
That sounds like a motorcycle.
Yeah. Yeah. Markslin is playing it. What?
It's big for my pet shop.
Yeah? Okay.
There's a little space.
Okay. Boo! Markslin, let's put batteries. Come on, give it to me. Let's put batteries. Come on. Switch it on, Maya.
Let's learn numbers. Let's find colors.
Yeah.
Red, green, green, orange, blue. Very good.
Very good.
Do it again.
Okay. Okay, Markslin, let's put batteries. Ooh, Markslin, smart. Wow, you did it? Smart baby. He will unscrew it. Go, boy.
With this.
That's nice.
Let's use it.
Let's make music.
Yeah, I like that part. I like that mode. Music mode.
Okay, next one. I closed it.
Okay. 3 AA batteries installed. Okay. Cutie. Nice one, Markslin. Okay, put it back. Put the cover back. Go on, boy.
Daddy.
What? Oh, cute. Is that a pony? Yeah?
This is the glitter version.
Oh, okay. That's cute. And what's the other one? Who's that? Is that Spike? Okay.
It can easily fit in.
Yeah.
Pinkie Pie can fit in those.
Uh-huh. Maya, switch it on.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now we cannot control it.
Use the controller, Maxlin. Go, Maya.
But just keep moving it.
Markslin, so happy. Yeah. Okay, go, Maya. Wow.
Your turn.
He wants to play it.
I feel moving.
Okay, let's try it.
Pale the rainbow.
Spinning 360. Wait, Maya. Can you drive it, Maya?
Okay.
Thank you. Marksland hit it.
The police. He's the police.
Marksland is the police. Woohoo! Cutie. Go, Maya. Here you go. What's that, Marksland? Yeah, a fire truck. A bump and go fire truck. That's cute, huh, Maya?
Oh, Daddy, sticker.
What sticker? What sticker? Oh, the dash?
What's a dash?
That's cute, huh?
Why it made a dash?
That's the instrumentation panel, Maya.
What to do?
That's where you can check the gas, your speed, and everything.
Everything.
Yeah. Everything you need to know about the car.
Oven flashing.
What's that? Oh, Maxland, that's a big garbage truck. Yeah. A big garbage truck. Yeah. I know, huh? Nice. That's nice. Beep, 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 beep. Whoa! Thank you, Maya. A bump and go sports car.
It always goes down.
Is this a sports car?
Yeah.
Racing 3D. Bump and go toy.
When I put it off, it just goes down.
Oh yeah?
It's running out of air.
No more air?
Yeah, just go to the floor.
Well, we have an air pump, right? Use it. Where is it? Go look for it.
Downstairs.
Downstairs? Yeah, Maxlen. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Garbage truck.
We can go.
Okay, I'm going to unbox this now.
What is going to be?
Wow, that's nice. It looks futuristic.
I'm going to do it like a class then.
It looks like a spaceship.
I'm going to do it like a class then.
Okay, okay. Look at those wheels.
They're golden.
It looks like a future. Go, Maya.
Golden.
It's gold. The wheels are gold. Okay, let's put batteries.
Okay, let's
What, Maya?
spike.
Oh, yeah, spike.
Yeah.
Cutie.
Ow.
Uh-oh, she fell off. What's her name?
Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie?
That's the holy glitter one.
Okay. She fell off again.
How is this?
Cute.